this thing rolling? So, today we're going to be doing my morning routine of what I do every day. And it's going to be great. I'm going to, throughout the whole day, it's going to be from 3 when I wake up. And I don't sleep. So, let's get to it. It's about 4:30 in the morning. Just woke up. I'm gonna go hit the gym. Then I go and eat breakfast. I go on a 2-hour run at about, I don't know, a 6-minute mile pace. I'll be back after that. Right now it's currently 6 in the morning, and now it's time to brush my teeth. I go here and write my novel with tape. Hold on, I gotta do an A. Currently, it is about 8 in the morning. And then I just kind of sit here and do nothing for a couple hours. No, it's 1 in the afternoon. I take my pills about, see? It's such bad weather for this. Back on my walk. That's enough walking for today. It is about 5 in the afternoon. It's almost dinner time. Play with cards for a little bit. What should I do next? After all that hard work and effort, I like to take in consideration being healthy, taking it for the team. So I'm going to be making my world premiere smoothie, alright? Then, secret sauce, some expired tonic water, just a little dash. About 6 o'clock, it's my bedtime, so I'm going to take the box fan over so I could have some nice cooling factor. I'm going to take some water for a nice drink. How the fuck do I take this out? Here's my water. And here's my fan. Put my water in here. Put my cat. Please hold it. Please. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. That was my daily routine, and I hope you enjoy.